Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Now, question number 2 of exercise 2.6. In the first part, question number 2, y is equal to x square into log of square root of x. So, this one. Now, he is asking find dy by dx simple derivative. Simple derivative. So differentiate. Before differentiating, here the power is with x, not the whole power. So it means that x power 1 by 2, or you know the formula that x square, this power will be the power becomes the product, this one, or this can also be written as 1 by 2 x square log of x. Differentiate with respect to x. So dy by dx is equal to 1 over 2, that is constant. So derivative x square into log of x. Now here it is a product, there is a product of 2. So second function, derivative of first function plus first function into derivative of second function. So here 1 over 2 log of x into 2x plus x square, derivative of log of x is 1 by x. So 1 over 2 into 2x log of x plus x. So this is our answer. At max you may take x common, that is also correct, but this one is also correct answer, that if you want to take x common, so that is 2 log of x plus 1. There is no harm. So this is the derivative of this function. Now I solve one or two more questions from this question number 2. Method is same, but as questions are different, so that's why I solve second part also. Y is equal to x square root of log of x. Now in this case, this whole power is for both, for the whole function. So that's why it remains same as it is. Log of x power 1 by 2 as it is. So differentiate with respect to x. Log of x power 1 by 2 whole. So here again product is there. So second function, derivative of first function plus first function and derivative of second function. So it remains same. Derivative of x is 1 plus x. First of all power is there. So 1 by 2 log of x power minus 1 by 2 into again derivative of this. So here log of x power 1 by 2 plus x by 2 into log of x power 1 by 2 into derivative of this is 1 by x. So this x cancelled. So we have square root of log of x plus 1 over 2 into square root of log of x. If you want to take LCM and simplify it, you may, but this is also a correct answer. Now I solve part 10. All are same, there is no change. Differentiate with respect to x. So dy by dx is equal to derivative x e power sin x. Product formula. So e power sin x into derivative of x plus x into derivative of e power sin x. So e power sin x into 1 plus x into e power sin x into derivative of again sin x. So e power sin x plus x e power sin x, and derivative of sin x is cos x. So here e power sin x plus x cos x e power sin x, which is our required answer. If you want to take e power sin x common, that is also correct, no problem at all. Now another important 12th part. Y is equal to x plus 1 whole power x. Now x is there in the power, so we cannot derivate it directly. So y, the function logarithm is applied here or used here. So main purpose is to solve, to take the derivative of these type of functions. Taking log on both sides, and we take natural log. Taking log on both sides. So log of y and log of x plus 1 power x. When x is their power, so it means x into log of x plus 1. Now we can differentiate it easily. Differentiate with respect to x. So log function is there again. So 1 over y into derivative of y with respect to x is equal to log of x plus 1 into derivative of x plus x into derivative of log of x plus 1. Log of x plus 1 as it is, derivative of x is 1 plus x derivative of log x plus 1 into derivative of x plus 1 again. So here log of x plus 1, so x divided by x plus 1 into derivative of x is 1 and 1 is 0. So this one. Next, this y we have to shift. We have to find the value of dy by dx. So take this y from left to right. So we have dy by dx is equal to y into log of x plus 1 plus x divided by x plus 1, and use the value of y. X plus 1 whole power x log of x plus 1 plus x divided by x plus 1. So which is our required answer. This is the way how to derivate when x is in the power. When x is in the power, x exists in the power in an exponent. So first of all we take the logarithm and we remove this power and we take it in as a product. So after that, this is the way how to derivate. I solve Even if 13 part I try quickly, I solve 13 part. Y is equal to log of x whole power log of x. Again, power is in exponent. So we write log of x is equal to log of x power log of x. So this becomes the product. Now we have two functions here. So differentiate with respect to x, 1 over y into dy by dx is equal to second into derivative of first plus first into derivative of second. So log of x into derivative of log of x is 1 by x plus log of x as it is log of this one 1 over log of x into derivative of log of x. First of all, this function as it is, derivative of log of x is 1 over x plus sine log of x as it is. Derivative one we are derivating first of all this log, so 1 over log of x into derivative of this log of x. So this log of x and is cancelled. So 1 over x into log of x plus derivative of this is, so it is our answer, or you will take 1 over x common, but this y we have to shift this one. So here dy or dx is equal to y into 1 over x log of x plus 1 over x. Value of this one is log of x power log of x to 1 over x log of x plus 1 over x. So this is the way how to derivate these. Now in question number 3, part 1, again find dy or dx if y is equal to cos hyperbolic 2x. Now this question number 3 related to the hyperbolic functions and inverse of hyperbolic. So differentiate with respect to x. So dy by dx is equal to derivative of cos hyperbolic 2x. First of all, cos hyperbolic derivative. So that is sine hyperbolic 2x into derivative of this 2x. So sine hyperbolic 2x into 2 or 2 sine hyperbolic 2x. So this is the derivative of cos hyperbolic 2x. Now I solve this part 3. Tan hyperbolic inverse into inverse hyperbolic and sin x. So there are two methods to differentiate. First of all, if you want to shift this value from right to left, so it becomes tan hyperbolic y, and this is equal to sin x. So again, if you want to solve as it is, that is also. So I solve as it is, differentiate with respect to x, dy by dx is equal to sin x derivative of inverse tan function, that is equal to 1 minus 1 minus 1 over 1 over 1 minus x cube. So here instead of x we have sin x. So derivative of this one function is 1 minus sin square x into derivative of sin x. So that is, this is cos square, and derivative of sin is also cos. So this one cancel. So 1 over cos x, or it can be written as secant x. So this is the way how to derivate this one. Last part of this question number 6, question number 3, part 6, y is equal to sine hyperbolic x by 2. This also given here, all these definitions and values which are here. So I solve this one. You will check the formula here. Differentiate with respect to x, dy by dx x by 2. So here derivative of sine inverse hyperbolic, that is 1 over 1 plus x by 2 whole square root. This is the formula which is here. Now after this means that derivative of sine inverse hyperbolic x is equal to 1 over square root of 1 plus x cube. So into derivative of x by 2. So this one is 1 plus x square over 4, and here it means derivative of x is 1 by 2. Simplify 1 by 2 whole divided by 4 plus x square, or 1 by 2 divided by square root of 4 plus x square whole divided by 2. So answer is 1 divided by square root of 4 plus x square. So this is the way how to differentiate logarithmic function, hyperbolic function, and inverse hyperbolic function. And when x is involved in the exponent, how to simplify that value? We have to take the logarithm first, and then we will be able to take derivative. So be careful about these questions. So this was the exercise 2.6. Try to solve this one. If you feel any problem, so you may contact me. Inshallah, I will try to solve your problems.